Hey everyone, it's Pauline, registered nurse at WavePlasticSurgery. You've been asking about derma fillers, so today let's chat about the 5 do's and don'ts for derma fillers. Start with the do's. Number 1, elevate that head, whether it's for Botox or fillers. It keeps the swelling at bay and helps the filler settle just right. Number 2, use arnica. You can get it over the counter, especially if you're someone who bruises easily. Arnica will be your best friend. Number 3, timing is everything. At a big event, like a wedding, schedule your filler at least 2 weeks before, if not longer. You'll want to be looking your best without any post-treatment signs. Number 4, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Drinking water benefits everything, including your skin. And after fillers, it's even more crucial. And finally, number 5, use sunscreen. The sun's rays, they're not your skin's friend, especially after fillers. Protect that investment and keep your skin looking its best. And before we move on to the don'ts, don't forget to tap that bell button to be notified when we post. And now the 5 don'ts. Number 1, for at least 2 weeks, avoid the gym, the sauna, or anything that's going to make you sweat. You want those fillers to stay right where they are. Number 2, avoid salty foods, smoking, and alcohol. Take a 2-week hiatus. Your skin will thank you. And number 3, no facials or lasers for 2 weeks. Remember, your skin's gone through a lot. Give it some time to recover. And number 4, if you got fillers on your nose, ditch the glasses for 2 to 3 days. And for those lovely lips, no straw, spicy, or steaming hot food. Grab an ice pack to help with the swelling and discomfort. And finally, number 5, before getting any fillers, avoid any blood thinners like ibuprofen, aspirin, Advil, fish oil, or even vitamin E. You want to minimize any risk of bruising or swelling. I promise if you follow these, you'll be maximizing the benefits of your derma fillers. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.